This is what's left of my 1973 Saab Sonett. As you can see, there really isn't much here anymore. I'd like to restore this car. Or, get as far as I can in the restoration tech tree. I'm probably going to have to tap out and turn this into some cyberpunk death trap eventually. But, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Or, when I don't want to buy $700 taillights, which you can't find anymore. Yay! Anyway, that's a really long way off, because there's a ton of minor stuff I need to do just to see if this car is even savable. I think it is. Actually, it is, because I want to save this one. But, I don't know when the engine run lasts. So, it's kind of first order of business. Aside from all the other orders of business you need to do before that one, yeah, it couldn't be more long and convoluted, so here we are. So the way this little series is going to be broken up, I wanted to do this series, super long, but then I realized that, wow, I don't want to edit all that. So it's going to be short little videos, which disappointedly means some of them aren't actually going to be important. Like the first one's just fixing a flat tire. That's kind of lame. But for a record-keeping sake, I want to include it, so I'm going to. I'm also going to be doing a mix of on-site audio and ADR because, airplane. And, man, audio's hard. The world's loud. I don't like it. It's scary. I'm going to go back to my room. Also, microphones, cell phones, they're super weird, so yeah, whatever. Don't expect too much. Oh, yeah, and this is all done after the fact because I only realized that half of my audio was junk, after getting 500 gigabytes of footage. Isn't that fun? Yeah. Wow, 4K is pretty cool, isn't it? So first thing I have to do, or did, is fix some crappy flat tire back there because you couldn't roll this car around. It was pretty flat. This thing hasn't moved since 2009, last time I checked, and yeah, that tire was bad. So let's take a look at that. All right, this tire is so flat, it is not even funny. So we gotta fix that. This is precisely why I have an impact driver somewhere around here. Now I don't have any of the right sockets. They just have chrome, but quite frankly, I don't care at the end of the day. First try. There we go. Wrong way. And there we go. Alright, finally. Okay, perfect. Where's my jack? I have located basically what I want. Now it's only a matter of getting it all under there. To be honest, easier said than done, because it's such a weird undercarriage, I suppose. I don't want to break it again, I've already done that. We're making progress. And it's not near the rusty spot, so I'm not going to bend it again. Oh, there we are. That was fast. Alright, we're not even going to need jack stands. That's awesome. I fully expect this thing to just fall off. Quite frankly, I've done this before. And no, that's exactly what it's going to do. And it's probably going to hit me too, because that's just how my lip works. Maybe we'll get lucky. We'll get lucky, yeah. Yeah, awesome. These lug bolts are absolutely disgusting, so we'll probably toss these in the bucket. Yeah, I know. Not good. But, what are you gonna do, right? as for the next batch of stuff that's going in the evapo-rust, definitely these, definitely these, wheel bolts, because they're gross. That tire is basically more D than an O, so, yeah, we gotta try and patch that thing. I have one of those tire patch kits, and I think if I string them all together, it should be enough to fix these tears in the sidewall, which admittedly I shouldn't be doing, but I'm not going to actually drive on this tire. This is just so I can roll around the garage without it being gross. Now, I forget where the holes are, so finding those is going to be a pain. I don't remember if they were somewhere else when I rolled a little ton, and they might have moved. Is that a hole? Can't tell. Definitely a big gash in it. I suspect a lot of the damage is where it's cracked horribly. Oh well, compressor time. Come on. Sounds like it's filling up. What the? Oh, it's full of water. Of course it's full of water. That makes sense. What? What? Oh, right there. Okay. Must have been from when I power washed it last. I don't care how much water's in there. If that's the only hole, hell yeah. I think it is. Awesome. I've got some of those tire patch kit stuff. Now, I don't think they're equipped to, fix this. Because, yeah, that's a really big hole. But it's, only idea I have, aside from, making a new wheel out of plywood. And I'm lazy and I don't want to do that. So, I guess I'm just gonna follow the instructions. I don't know. Probably not. I mean, the instructions say don't do it if it's on the sidewall. So I'm already not listening to them. But how big is that? That's like maybe, I don't know, half an inch wide, maybe? I don't know, something like that. Already missing one of these strips. So, okay, how did this stuff work again? You coat these, then you put them on the grabber thing. Right? I think that's how it works. More crap just to give ourselves the best chance of success, which is still extremely low, but, Let's see how that tire's faring now. Okay, where'd the cement go? There it is. So where's the problem? Oh, it's right there. Okay. That's easy. I think they might have fixed it. If we just glob more tire cement on there, it should be enough. Haha, I'm so proud of myself. This looks like shit, but at least it'll be, airtight. Or as close to airtight as I really care. Awesome! Well, it certainly ain't pretty, but it's definitely good enough for me. Should be able to put this back on the car once I get all this crap cleaned off. No? That's not gonna work, huh? Nope. This stuff is tough. Oh, there we go. Awesome. Now the hardest part about doing all this stuff is lining up these damn bolts. I hate it. I hate doing it so much. It sucks. I mean, yeah, maybe I'm just used to studs, but I don't like these. Maybe I'll swap it over. Maybe I'll get used to them. I don't know. Something. Alright, let's put it on the ground and hopefully be not flat for the first time in I don't know how long. Awesome. It still looks kind of flat though.